Installing drip irrigation on your farm will save you both time and money. So, how does it work? Firstly, get the right equipment. You will need a tank, drip lines, and a pipe that connects the two. Little holes in the drip lines let water out slowly straight to the crop. This way, the crop leaves stay dry and free from mildew. The tank needs to be raised onto a stand about 1.5 meters high. This will make sure water can flow down with gravity. Drip irrigation can also be easily used with solar power.
The system includes a solar panel of 310 watts. It comes with a solar pump, then together with some fittings to install the pump and deliver water to wherever you want to take water to. Once you install the system, you'll have no monthly charges. In the long run, it's cost effective.